I think that's it for now. We're almost out of battery power anyway. So it seems to be behaving itself. I'm going to play more records off camera on it, but I don't think there's any more problem. I think we're all set with this one. Well, not this machine. This machine has its own motor, and that'll be rebuilt at a future date. But just for testing purposes, I dropped the motorboard into this one. And she's working good.